Hey dolls, it's Makeup by Harrison and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing this everyday glam makeup. I kind of just wanted to put makeup on my face and just play around. If you want to see how I did this look and the products I used, just keep on watching. So first off, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Dewy Face Primer and just put that all over my face because my skin has been a little dry lately due to like the cold weather outside. So I don't really want to do a matte primer today just because I feel like the foundation will look kind of cakey and really dry. I think the Wet n Wild primers are like my favorite primers right now because they're really affordable and like I love a cheap good primer. And also they just like, they prime your face really well for like foundation and like the makeup you put on top of it. So yeah, so now I'm going to go on to foundation. So I'm just going to go in with the foundation I use all the time, which is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Natural. This is my favorite foundation. I think I've said this like over and over again, but it's just really cheap and affordable, but it has like the best coverage I've seen in like any foundation, and I just feel like it's the foundation that has just like matched to my skin the most, and it's just really velvety, and yeah, there's just a lot of good things about it, and the price is also only $5. I'll link all the products I used down below in this video, but yeah, I'm just gonna go in with like a good amount and put that all over my face. I just like keep pumping it until I like the amount of coverage. I like a full coverage foundation when I'm doing glam like this. So I'm just gonna keep doing it until I like the coverage. So I just finished almost blending all my foundation, but I went to Marshall's yesterday and I found these super cute Hello Kitty like face masks. Oh, I just got foundation all over them. But let me know if you guys want like a face mask review maybe, or like a skincare video, because my skincare is like, I like love skincare just as I love makeup. So if you guys want a skincare video as well and like a review on face mask, I would do that. So let me know in the comments below. But now I'm gonna start by putting on my concealer. So I'm just gonna take my LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation in the shade Concealer in the shade Light Ivory and just put that in my under eyes. This is kind of just like, this video is kind of just like, I haven't done a video in a while, but I feel like I do a lot of like glam, like everyday glam videos. So yeah. So now I'm putting on my concealer, but I just thought of this. I found these really cute Hello Kitty face masks at Marshall's yesterday. And if you guys want me to do like a skincare type of video or like a face mask review video, because I really love face masks, like I love to do them, and I really love skincare as well. So if you guys want me to do a video like that, just comment that down below and I would be more than happy to do that. So I'm just going to put this in all the places that I usually put concealer, and I will be right back when I finish doing that. So now I'm just going to blend my concealer, and to set it today I'm going to be using my Coty airspun powder or my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm not sure yet. When I'm done blending it in, I'm going to decide. But yeah, I'm just going to blend this in. And yeah, so I will be right back when I finish doing this. So I'm going to be setting my face with my Coty airspun powder. I just put a little on the top, and I'm just going to be baking my face just a little, just to kind of brighten my face a little. And I put it all over my nose. I've been doing that a lot lately because my nose gets oily throughout the day. So I'm just gonna put that in all the places I put concealer. And I apply it with this powder puff thing that they give you because I just feel like it applies to their powder like the best. Like it's the best like technique to apply the powder. So yeah. So to bronze up my face today, I'm going to be going in with my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I'm just going to swirl my Wet n Wild brush around, and I'm just going to lightly bronze my face. This is my favorite bronzer. I definitely recommend this. Like, if I was going to tell you to get one thing from this video, it would either be the LA Girl foundation or this bronzer, because this bronzer, it's a little pricey for a drugstore item, but it definitely does the trick and just gets your face really bronzed and like, just like what a good bronzer does. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah. Now to contour a little bit, I'm going to be going in with my Kat Von D Shade and Light, and I'm going to be using the first shade in it. It's kind of like a cool toned brown color, and I'm just going to be contouring my face. Very lightly though, because I don't really like a heavy contour. And then I'm just going to do that like on my temples, and just like in all the places. Sorry, my camera ran out of storage, but I was contouring my face, and I'm using just the Shade and Light palette. And I'm going to be using the lightest shade. It's kind of like a cool tone color, and I'm just bronzing my face, contouring my face very lightly, and just like, because I don't really like a heavy contour, but I still like to contour my face, so I'm just going to be going in very lightly with a Wet n Wild powder brush. I don't think it has a name, but yeah. So now I'm going to go do my brows off camera, and I will be back. I think my next video, or the one after that, is going to be a brow tutorial, but I will be right back when I finish putting on my brows. So I set my brows with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel, and for mascara today, I'm going to be going in with my Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. This is my new favorite mascara. It just really makes your lashes look like falsies, so I'm going to put this on, and then we're going to do lashes, and yeah. So today for mascara, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Yeah, so I'm just going to curl my lashes with my broken eyelash curler. I have to get a new one, but it still works, which is good. And then I'm going to apply my mascara. I like to wear this alone and also with falsies, because it just really blends the false lashes together really well, but on itself, it really makes your lashes look really good. So I will be right back when I finish putting this on. So I finished putting on my mascara, and it just looks really good. Like, it just makes your, this isn't it, this is the brow gel. This is the mascara. It makes your lashes just look really, like, long. So I'm going to go pop on my House of Lashes Iconics, and I will be right back, and then we're going to put on liquid lipstick, and I think we're done. Oh, I still need to put on a highlight. Duh. So for highlight today, I'm going to be using my Golden Flower Crown by Wet n Wild. And then I'm going to be, to top that, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Nicole Guerriero Glow Kit. This has been like one of my favorite like mixtures of highlighters, because it just like is a really like golden glow. I think I used the shade, I'll tell you when I open it, but I just like use this as like a base. And this is a really good highlight. This Golden Flower Crown, but with the Nicole Guerriero. It's so hard to say, but it just looks really popping. So I'm gonna put that on, and then I'm gonna take this out, and I use the shade Glow Getter. This is the mixture I like, and then it just really adds like an extra like glow to it. So I'm just gonna apply that in all the places I originally put highlighter, well, the Golden Flower Crown, and yeah, and then I'll be right back, and then I'll put on lashes. So to finish this off, I'm going to be putting on my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick and in the shade Mannequin. So I will be right back when I finish putting that on. So I'm going to be finishing this look off with my Glam Glow Setter Setting Spray. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see out of this channel.